Lods, yan ba yung whitey mo vlog na Imyat? Hindi, ano yan? Pinsan ko yan. Pa-subscribe din, ano, Victor. Hindi. Yung isang channel ko, yung ano, Mayang Probinsyana.
Ngayon na nito ang titi, me.
Taging ko na. Taging ko.
Ngayon natas.
Tatag na. San.
Sakit sa likod eh.
Bye-bye.
Tiniray mo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mambag ko man ligo ako sa baby or ang sa baby to me.
Tiniray mo nga. Mapundak na. Mapundak na. Tiniray mo ha.
Sakit sa likod eh. Thank you. Can I talk to you secret? What secret? Well, we have a lot of money in my country, Saudi Arabia, and I live in America and my business is there. Oh, good to you. She is Samar Gandara. Ah, okay. She's from Samar. Send my regards to her. Send my regards to her. Thank you, Victor. You subscribe vlog ni Imyat, guys. That's my cousin. Thank you. But I have to go na. It's already late. I'm already late. Do you have Telegram? Nope, I don't have. And you? I'm from Mindanao. Sakit akong likod. I have backache. I look like old. Look like old. No, I didn't come to America. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Nung klaseng tulong? What kind of help? What kind of help? Yes, I'm married. I have 7 husbands right now. I'm married with 7 husbands. Sakit. Really? Yes. Yes, of course. You won't believe me? Please believe me. Please believe me because I'm lying. Seven, yes, 7. What's the problem of 7? Sorry, I thought you were single. I wanted to have a relationship with you and live with me in America. Sorry. It's okay. I have 7. You want to be my 8? Huh? Okay, na Lods. Thank you, Victor. I have to go work na, guys. So, bye-bye for now. Thank you so much, Victor. Taga saan ka, Victor? Hello, gawas ako. Chinilas. Uy. No, nagamaoy na. Gawas akong chinilas. Agas?